Hi sewing friends, it's me Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel, Murr-made Designs, where we talk all things garments. I am showing you, hopefully, 365 sewing makes. And this is day 146. And we had such fun last week. Well, I had such fun last week. I hope you did too, with the How to Wear Red series. That this week, I thought we'd have a little theme too. So this week we're going to do 7 days of refashioning. I really love refashioning. And I try to keep it to, kind of 10% of what I do at least. That I think it's great to reimagine clothes and keep them out of the landfill and give them a new life. So this week we're going to be talking all things refashioning. So I will show you what I have today and then we'll talk about it. It is a cute little top. I kind of love it. I have, probably you do too, a few things that you wear a lot. Well, another top that I refashioned that was navy with roses on it. I wear it a lot. I think I'm going to be wearing this one a lot too. And the camera probably doesn't do the fabric justice, but it is a navy blue, dark navy blue with these pink, big pink, you call those cabbage roses on it. And it is a light stretch knit. It has just a two-way stretch, not a four-way stretch so much, but very light. So this top started its life as it was a dress. I will try to link a photo, but technology and me, we have a hard time. So if I can, I will. If I can't, I'll put it in the description box or on the thumbnail or somewhere. But this started its life as a dress. It had a striped top, and then the skirt started right under the bust. And this was the skirt. And yeah, so I recruited to help me Vogue, this Vogue pattern, 8355. So this looks like it is about from the late 80s, early 90s. And I saw that it had cut on sleeves, and so I just utilized the top part of this to kind of cut the side of the skirt so there'd be a little bit of sleeves. So basically what I did was I chopped the skirt off the dress, turned it upside down, put a hem on it, sewed up the sides. This was kind of the side seams of the skirt anyways, but I just took them in a little bit, used that pattern to cut the sleeves out a little bit so that they stick out just a little bit. Just sewed the hem of the skirt up, decided how much I needed to get my head through, and stopped there. So this was so fast. So fast. I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. Very, very quick make. And I think it's a very cute make. And I think I'm going to get lots and lots of wear out of it. It's very comfortable, very light. It'll be a great summer top. Great top for layering. I like layering. So that is make one in our refashioning series this week. And this is very easy to do. If you have an old skirt hanging around that has some beautiful material, but it's a skirt you never wear, I suggest turn it upside down. Sew the seams together, taking the sides a little, hem the bottom. Bam! You've got yourself a new top. And I like to end each of my channel posts with a grateful thread, where I talk about something I am grateful for that may be sewing related and may not. And today what I want to talk about is, you might notice I have a new camera / phone. This studio that I do these videos with, not fancy. Nothing about what I do is fancy. So I hope that this works well, that it maybe increases the quality of the videos some. I would love to hear in the comments if you have any thoughts about the quality of this compared to, say, yesterday. And I hope that you are sewing and maybe doing some refashioning too, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again tomorrow.